Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change our username in Bitget Wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface and I have already logged in. At the top right next to the search button, you can see your profile picture. Click on it. Well, right here, this is my username or simply the display name. Right now, I want to change it. Well, it's quite easy. What you guys have to do is simply click on the profile picture right here, or this whole tab in fact. Well, once you do, you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you can see, this is the profile page. Do note from here you can change your display name, username and everything. But for now, let us simply look at how to change the username. Right here, right next to username, you can see the change button. Click on it. Now what you can do is simply change it to whatever you wish. Once you've done that, simply click on confirm. Do remember to think carefully before modifying your username. Well, you can only change your username 3 times a year, so be careful. Once everything's okay, simply hit on confirm. And that is it. As you can see, my username is currently under review. Once it has been verified, my username will have been changed. That is it guys. That's how we change your username in Bitget Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.